step into the Ram 2018 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are off-road package included: front performance tune, shock absorbers, off-road decal, black wheel flares, transfer case, skid plate shield, tow hooks, rear performance tune, shock absorbers, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 66 RFE, STD, electric shift on the fly, transfer case included, storage tray, tires, LT 275/70R18E owl on off-road, spray and bud liner, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, engine, 6.4L heavy-duty V8 Hemi with MDS included, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs, 11.50 inches single wheel rear axle, 180 amp alternator and diesel gray black cloth, 40/20